Welcome to Deon and Kids YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Hey Deon, what are we doing today?
DIY origami.
Oh, that sounds really fun. What are we making? Do you know?
Yeah. Origami bird. Hey guys, do you think I can make an origami this good?
Definitely, Deon. Are you going to decorate it too?
Yeah, I
Okay.
What about that one? What's that?
am. My origami fish.
Why don't you show the camera?
Yep.
It's a fish?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I can make it all by myself.
Perfect.
Thank you for that. You know origami we're making today?
Origami duck.
Alright, you want to get started? You know what we should do first?
No.
You have to fold the paper in half.
Oh, okay. That's easy.
Wow, you're good at this. Almost like you've done this before.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, that's the first step. Now you have to fold the paper like this. See that?
Okay.
You want to make it line up.
Okay. Like do that.
Perfect. Are you gonna color on the origami too?
Yes. When I'm done with it.
I can't wait to see it. Alright, Deon, now you just have to fold it on the other side too. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Wow, you're better than this than me. Now you have to make it look like a kite. You remember how to do it?
No.
Look, all you have to do is put it like this. Alright, Deon, you know what we should do next?
Yes.
What should we do?
This.
Oh yeah, that's the right thing to do. Can't wait to see what the origami bird looks like.
It's not a bird, Daryl. It's a duck.
Alright, Deon. How do you think we should fold it now?
Okay.
You going to fold it in half?
Yes.
Ooh, it's starting to look like a bird now. Do you need help?
Yeah, I think I do.
Let me see. I think all you have to do is crease it like this. Wow. And then all you have to do is crease the head like this.
Super neat.
Wow.
That was really cool, guys.
Yeah, like this. Wow, doesn't that look like a bird? What kind of bird is this?
Origami duck.
Oh yeah, this is an origami duck. Wow. You're super smart, Deon.
Suction. It looks like that. Origami.
Alright, are you ready to make the next origami?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, Deon, we're gonna do another origami. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited to do it.
You know what origami we're doing? We're doing the origami bird. That one was an origami duck, right?
Yeah.
So this one would be a normal bird.
Yeah.
Here's your paper. You know what we should do first?
Fold it
Yeah.
and make
like
it
that.
neat.
Now you just have to crease it. Good job. Okay, so now all we need to do is fold it the other way. You know how to do that?
Yeah.
better than me at origami.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yes.
Am I teaching you or are you teaching me?
I'm teaching you. Yeah, it should be good.
Yeah.
Wait, no, that's not good. That's not good.
It's fine, it's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm here to help you. Okay. Now, you just have to fold it like this. See how I did it?
Yeah.
And then, you would fold it like this. You give it a try.
Okay.
Alright, good job. Like, flip the paper over. You want to line it up.
Yeah.
Alright, let me help you.
No, I don't need
Okay, let's see it. Wow, you did it. All I need you to do is fold it in the middle like this.
Deon, smile while you're doing it. Can you smile while you're working?
Yes.
Did I teach you how to smile?
Yes.
Smile while you're working, Deon.
Wait a second.
You forgot how to smile? What are you doing? Alright, what should we do next?
Smile.
You have any? Oh, you're doing it. I didn't even tell you. How did you know? You're too smart for me.
Yeah, I have a big brain.
And a big mouth, because you're a parrot. Alright. Now you just have to fold it to the other side too, like. You see? You just have to line it up and fold it down.
Wait, I think I'm done with the boat.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Okay, now I know what to do.
Wow, it's really starting to look like a bird.
Oh yeah, it really is. I know.
Okay, now we just need to make the head.
I already know how to make a head.
You just have to fold it like this. You see it? You fold it like that. And then you do an inverse fold.
Inverse?
You know how to do an inverse fold?
Yeah, you unfold it.
So you would fold it like this. Whoa.
I thought you said inverse.
You see, it's like this. You want to try it yourself?
Yes.
Let me see what you got. Wow, doesn't it look like a bird?
Yes. It kind of looks like a boat.
Which one do you think is better, the bird or the duck?
The duck.
The duck? Why do you think the duck is better?
It's more bigger.
Oh, you like big birds?
Yeah.
Okay, Deon, now we're going to draw on the origamis. Can you tell me what colors those are?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black. Blue, red, yellow, whatever this color is.
That's cyan. Okay, 2, 1, and get started.
Okay.
So you're drawing it yellow?
Yeah, at the bottom.
Why are you drawing it yellow? Is that what ducks look like?
Yeah, at the bottom of its feet, it's yellow.
Wow. Why don't you use another color? You have a whole rainbow.
Yeah, I'm not gonna color it rainbow. Okay, where's it? In there. Now the next part, blue.
I can't wait to see what it looks like when you're done.
It's gonna look amazing.
You think it's gonna look better than my origami?
Yeah.
I don't know. My origami looks pretty good. What? You sure that looks like a duck?
Yes. It does. Then when I'm done with this color, I'm gonna add another color. And I'm gonna do the same thing with every color. But not every color. I'm gonna do purple and
Are
white.
you sure that looks like a fish to me?
No. The first video I made a fish blue. And the first time I'm not making a fish. Does this look like a fish?
Oh, you're done, Deon? Can I see what you made?
Yes.
Wow, looks really colorful.
Yes.
Why did you make this part white?
It's because I didn't have that much time.
Time.
Yes.
Okay, you want to make the next bird now?
Yes.
Yeah, it's time to color it. Okay, Deon, what are you gonna make this bird look like?
Orange, cyan, red, blue.
Okay, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, the crayons are gone.
Let's see what you can make in 5 minutes.
What?
This is a challenge. Deon, can you show me your bird now?
Okay.
Wow, it looks really good. Seems like it took you a while to make it.
Yep, it did.
You still won the challenge though.
Yes!
Deon, now that you completed the origami challenge, now it's time to do the science experiment. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Alright, we're gonna be doing the volcano science experiment now. You guys ready?
Yeah! Don't forget
Alright.
to
What'd you say?
Don't forget to say I'm excited!
Yeah, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah!
Alright, who's going first?
Andre.
Andre. Alright, I guess it's Andre.
Okay, I'll do it. Just a little bit?
Yeah, just a little bit. Let's see it.
Me too.
Yep. Let Tyson pour some in there. Wow.
That's enough. Now my
It
turn.
looks like a volcano. Ooh. Look, it's going over. Whoa, look at that. It might get on the table at this rate. Wow. It's a volcano. Look at that. You guys are making a mess.
Okay,
Hey, it's gonna get on the table.
let me try again.
I didn't think it would be this much. Don't you guys like the science experiments?
Oh, yeah. That was so cool.
Andre, you're gonna need to wash your hands.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wash your hands in the sink.
You're gonna get it off the table. Oh. Oh my God, it's on the table.
Okay, now we're gonna do another science experiment.
We're
You ready?
Yeah. You're excited.
Are you having a rag fight?
No, they're not. We're cleaning up.
That's not how you clean. You gotta get all the glue off the table, Deon.
All right, guys, you ready for the next science experiment?
Yeah.
All right, you know what this one's called? It's called laminar flow.
Yeah.
Once you poke a pencil into the bag, the water will come out nice and perfect.
Okay.
All right, so go ahead and try it.
Whoa.
Put the pencils in there.
It's popping.
You see how it's not leaking?
I'm gonna try to wait for
Wow, look at that.
Like right here. Oh.
Look at all those pencils.
Let me have one. Give me one. Hey, I want one. You don't let me have one. Give me one.
Here, yeah, just give him one. All right.
All right, here.
You can put it down.
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh wait, it's leaking. Look at that. Whoa.
It's leaking. It's leaking. It's leaking.
Andre, let me see.
It's leaking.
Oh, you're getting some on me. What? Whoa. Hey. Calm down, Andre. Whoa.
Where's my green? Where's my green? Where's my green? My greens. My greens. My greens. My greens. My greens.
Look at that. Now it's leaking once you take the pencils out. You want to slap the bag?
Yeah.
Slap it. What? Ah! All right, you're getting me too wet. That's enough. That's enough. All right, wasn't that a fun science experiment?
Yeah. It was really
How about
fun.
you, Andre? Wasn't it fun?
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Wasn't it fun?
Yeah.
Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere.